Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your mouse cursor is disappearing on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend trying, if you're using a USB connected mouse, try unplugging it and then plugging it back in. If that doesn't work, try plugging it into a different USB port as well. So it could be something bad with the USB connection. So try that. Try another mouse as well. If you have an extra mouse lying around, try and plugging that one in and see if that resolves the problem. So you might actually have a bad mouse as well. They do go bad, believe it or not. But something else you can try here as well on top of those. So now we're going to kind of get into the software side of troubleshooting this problem. And that will entail opening up the search menu. Search for device manager. Best result, should come back with device manager. Go ahead and open that up. Select where it says mice and other pointing devices. And then you want to right click on your mouse and select properties. Select the driver tab. If for some reason the mouse is disabled, you want to go ahead and enable that. So perhaps you're on a touchpad. You want to go ahead and just make sure it's set to enable device. So again, pretty straightforward on that. You can go back to the general tab here. You can go and select the update driver button, and you can select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then if you have a manufacturer specific one, I recommend going with that. Otherwise, you can select the generic one from this list too, and select next. Select close out of here, and then I would suggest restarting your computer at this point. And there you go, guys. Hopefully your mouse issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.